Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this equation. We're given that 4 raised to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x over 4 to the power of x is equal to 3. To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to write all the term in the left hand side to be in its lowest base. So as you can see, the base is 4, 8, and 4. So these three term, we can write them in base 2. This is the lowest base. So when we do that, this 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, which is the same as 4, then to the power of x, then plus 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 3, because when you multiply 2 by itself 3 times, it's going to give us 8, then to the power of x, then over this 4 to power x is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4, then to the power of x, then everything will be equal to 3. Now, the next thing we're going to do, as you can see, in the numerator, we have two terms, but in the denominator, it's only one term. So since it's addition that separates the term, so each of them can share this denominator. So when we do that, this 2 to the power of 2x, 2 to the power of 2x over 2 raised to the power of 2x, then plus 2 raised to the power of 3x over 2 raised to the power of 2x. So everything now will be equal to 3. So what we just did here, these two terms in the numerator just share this denominator. So the next thing we're going to do is to simplify further. Here we have 2 raised to the power of 2x, 2 raised to the power of 2x. The same thing divide itself. So it's going to be 1, then plus. Here we're going to apply division properties of indices. As you can see, the bases are the same. And recall division properties of indices. Whenever the bases are the same, we write one of the base, then we subtract the power. So the first power is 3x minus 2x, which is going to give us 1x. Then everything will be equal to 3. Now the next thing we're going to do is to subtract this 1 from both sides. So we are going to left with only 2 raised to the power of 2x in the left hand side, which is going to be 3. And when this one goes to the other side, it's going to be minus 1. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. As you can see here, we have 2, and here is also 2. But recall that these 2 can also be written as 2 raised to the power of 1. So we have the same basis now. Then we just equate the power. So the first power is x, which is equal to the second power is 1. So therefore, 1 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow this page for more videos like this.